Good day. In today's video I will show you how to change the thermostat on your Mercedes. I'm Hervé. You are right now on the largest Mercedes W124 channel that exists. So let me show it to you now. First off, where is it located? So I will change it on that engine. It's 300D, so it's a 6-cylinder diesel engine. Now, if you got a petrol engine, if you got a turbo diesel engine, etc., it might be a bit different. Okay, mine is here. You see, we've got the deposit for the coolant. You follow this, and it's right here. Okay, below the collector. Okay. So that's gonna be very, very simple. We're just gonna place something under to collect the liquid, because we're gonna lose some. It's obligatory. And what I will do, you see that hose, I will clamp it to try not to lose what I've got here. Okay. And apart from that, we'll open this, change this, and that will be it. Of course, I will give you the part number as usual. Okay. I've now placed a clamp like this one onto the hose. Okay, so it's done. At least I will be able to keep that liquid from the tank. Sadly, what's in the engine, we will lose it. So I will now remove the cover that's on the thermostat. It's two bolts of 10. So use whatever key for that. Okay, I will use a ratchet and I will open it. Okay, now don't forget to place a recipient below, because whatever's inside the engine, you will lose it. Okay, so let's start. We now have our two thermostats, the new one and the old one. I'm now going to show you how to test it just to make sure it's good. So how will I test this? Well, I will take a recipient where I will place water, I will boil it, and then I will place the two inside and see if they react the same way or not. If the old one doesn't open, obviously it's kaput. This one should work perfectly. It should open slowly to let the water go through. Okay, so we'll see if one opened before the other, or if they works the same, or if one works and the other one doesn't. The two have opened nicely, obviously the new one of course, but the old one as well. Okay, so that's how you know if it's good, if you can throw it away or not. Okay, now be careful because obviously it's very hot. Now comes the time to place this back on the car. So first we're gonna use an old cloth, we're gonna clean it nicely, and then we're gonna place the thermostat that way. So this part inside the engine. Okay, and then obviously we place the bolts and we tighten well. Look at the cover. There's a mark here, so, and here we've got a little nook as well, so this goes that way. Okay, we fit it nicely and then back on the car. Now that this is fitted, free the hose obviously, and now you will pour the liquid again inside the container. Run the engine just to make sure the liquid goes throughout the engine, and top up if necessary. You would have noticed in my previous video, for instance, that this, I put it like this. Why? Because it's already mixed. It's written on it, direct use. Some of them you have to mix it with distilled water. So before you place it, just read it nicely and you'll be good to go. Okay, so that's it. Once you run the engine and make sure there's no leak whatsoever, then that's fine. If you have poured a bit of liquid on the engine, stuff like that, rinse it as well. It's always better. And that's it. So I hope that you have liked the video. I hope it's useful to you. Subscribe to the channel if it's not done so. And we'll see each other in the next one. Take care.